Is you my friend? I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's about 11:43 and I'm just up doing all sorts because I've slept earlier today. I had a nap after work. It's Friday today. Had a nap after work because the week just drained me. So I sat in the sofa when I was done and I was just knocked out. And I got up around after 10. Got up a couple times. You know when you get up a couple times and the sleep's so sweet, so you just go back to sleep. And I barely nap as well. So I was like, you know what? I'm tired. Let me just nap. And now I'm up and I've just woke up in like the mood to do all sorts. So I'm like cleaning, folding laundry, doing laundry. I just did like a load of laundry. I still have like a few loads to do, but I'm not too sure if I'll do another one so late. I might do the rest of them tomorrow. I need to have something to eat, drink some water because I'm very dehydrated. In terms of food, I'm not going to eat anything too heavy because it's so late, but I need to eat. So what I'm going to have is probably just some crackers and cheese with some meat and some olives. So like a proper like girl dinner vibe. I've got some olives. I really love these olives from Lidl. It's their lemon and herb olives. This is like my favorite thing to like snack on as well. I absolutely love having cheese. Like, probably shouldn't be having it this much. I always talk about this, but you know, you have just that one thing that you wouldn't give up. Cheese is that one thing for me. And this is the olive that I like, and then this is the meat that I have. This is what I'm going to have. I like having it with some sweet chili sauce because it just gives it that really nice kick. And this is just really enjoyable to eat. I love having this, whether it be as a snack. We're gonna call this a snack. It is a snack. I'm done having dinner, which was really good. I'm just going through some PR stuff. I need to charge my watch. 2%. I'll plug that in a bit. And this one is from Pre-Soul. It's their Purity Soul line. It's like a Korean skincare brand, and they've sent me over some stuff. I've got like a good amount of stuff in here. Eye cream. This is a toner. They're all unscented, which is really good. A serum, and then we have a cream, so like a moisturizer. And this one is from Be Perfect. This one is more like makeup, which I'm very excited about. You've got like a foundation. I need to test if this foundation will match my skin. They sent it to me in the color W12, so I'm really hoping that it matches. It looked like it would, but I need to try it to see if it's a good match. And then we've got like a liquid blush, which can also be used as like a lip product as well. So that is what the blush looks like. The pink is too pink. I think if it was like a little bit deeper, maybe it would work, but I'll try it before I start judging it from now. And then we've got like a bronzer. They sent it in the shade Acorn. I don't think this bronzer is going to be dark enough for me. It looks like it's about my same shade. Again, I need to open it and try it. I need to do my nails tomorrow. I need to do my hair as well. Grocery, you know, the usual things I need to do tomorrow. But my hair and my nails I really need to do because I need to do some filming. Okay, the bronzer might work, you know. It might actually work. I think it might actually work. Oh yeah, this might actually work. You probably can't see it. I don't like the smell of that. It has a strong scent. It blended really quickly as well, so I'll give it a try and see how that works. We've also got like a, I think this is like a setting powder. Yeah, instant shine control, pore proofing finish. I love the packaging. So the setting powder is in this, and really love the packaging. I think this would be my perfect shade actually. This is what the shade is looking like. And it comes right in time because I really need like another setting powder. But the thing is, this will do good as an all over shade. But the setting powder that I wanted is one for underneath my eyes, which will I like a banana shade type of thing, something a little bit lighter. But I think this shade is perfect for like a all over set type of thing. She's really good. The funny thing is I didn't tell them my shade or anything. They just sent me these colors and it looked like they've got a good match. Which is very impressive. I really want to see like if this shade is going to match me as well, because if this match me, that is really impressive. So the foundation, and it opens like that. That is such a great packaging. I think it might be a match. Oh my gosh, that is such a great match. I don't want to try it on my face, not now, but trying it on my hand. I'm not even showing you guys properly. What is this? Trying it on my hand. I think because my hand is lighter than my face, so if it matches me like this on my hand, it will be a good match. Look at that, so pretty. It will be a great match on my face. You can't even see because it's a good match. That is impressive. We also got like a brush, a foundation brush, like 12.56 now. I don't want to stay up too late. This foundation finish is so pretty. Oh my gosh, that is such a nice finish. Anyways, I don't want to stay up too late because I don't want to wake up too late tomorrow in the morning. I want to have like an early morning tomorrow, so I can start the day early. So I'm gonna head off to bed. I've put like a load of laundry in the washing machine. I've prepped it, but I haven't started it. So I've put like the tabs in there, the scent boosters. So the only thing I need to do tomorrow is literally press start, so you can start just preparing myself for like an easier day, you know. So I'm gonna wash another load tomorrow, and then I need to get my nails done. Honestly, I'm so lazy. I'm thinking to just go to the nail shop so they can just do it for me quickly. But I also plan not to do my nails. I also plan to do my own nails for the first couple of months in the year, or for majority of the year to be fair, because I have everything that they're using. So it will save me a lot of money just to do my own nails at home. But it turns out that I'm doing my nails every single week, and because I can do it myself, I've been doing them every single week, and it's just way too much time me spending doing them. So tomorrow, just for tomorrow, I think I should probably go and get them done, and then after that I can just continue doing it, or maybe just do them myself here and try not to do them over. Maybe, because I don't know. I'll try and figure it out. Because I did them last week and I put clear polish on top, but then I don't know if it's because I've changed the builder gel. The builder gel already come off, and I don't understand why the builder gel already come off if I've done it so nicely today as well, and I spent so much time doing it. So yeah, I don't know. I need to figure that out. Hello guys, it is the next day. I just got back from the gym. I've also done some grocery shopping as well, and I'm about to pack out my grocery and make something to eat because I'm super hungry. I had boiled eggs this morning, around 2 of them, and some green juice, and I think that's all I had this morning to eat. But now I'm hungry, so I need to have post-gym breakfast, and I'm gonna see if I can make like a breakfast burrito style type of thing. I'm done having my breakfast, which was honestly so good. I still have my drink here, but I'm gonna take it with me to the nail shop as well, so I'm not forcing to finish in that. What I need to do though before I get to the shop is finish taking off these gel polish off my nails, because I'm not paying extra to do it. And I've been using this from Aliva. I got it from Amazon. It's linked on my Amazon storefront, but this is what it looks like, and it's been really good. What I do is just polish it on my nails. It's so much easier than having to soak your hand in like acetone. So I just polish this on top of the nails, leave it for a few minutes, and then just use this to like scrape it off, and the gel polish comes right off. I'm back home from getting my nails done. I think they done such a great job with them. I also ended up getting like a pedicure as well, and pretty much done the same color. I don't know if you guys can see properly, but they've done such a great job. And yeah, I really love them. And the length is like perfect. They're very short, but they're like perfect for me. So very happy with that. I was meant to like pop down to go to TK Maxx, but I might need to just go down there tomorrow, because I was honestly falling asleep in the nail shop. I'm so tired. And I need to come back and like do my hair and stuff. But again, I might just braid my hair up today, as in just cane it back today, and then I will finish doing what I need to do to it tomorrow. I'm just gonna put on a wig, to be fair. So I got some stuff from Amazon so I can get to put on the wig properly. So I got like this lace tint in like a dark brown color. I've seen this one all over TikTok and I've heard it's like really good. So I got this, and then I got like this melting glue, because when I tell my sister that I'm just gonna do it, I said to her like I'm just gonna do like a glueless type of thing and just put it on. She keep telling me to get melting glue, even melting spray, even though I said to her like I don't want anything to be like glued on my head. So because I'm gonna go to the gym and whatever in this wig, and I don't want it to slide back, I was like, let me get the melting spray so I can spray it so it can at least stick on a little bit, you know, so it doesn't slide. So I just got this one because I heard that this one is really good as well. Again, I saw this on TikTok, so I just got these two to put my wig on. So I'm done braiding my hair. They're not the best. This one could be a little bit flatter, I think. I think it's flat enough. You don't want to see the back. I haven't even looked at the back. But I kind of like weave them into each other. And then I have just this one left. I'm not going to do my hair until tomorrow. But I'm going to like try it on just to see what it looks like. Because I haven't like tried it on or anything, because my hair wasn't braided. So I'm just going to probably just do some loose curls. I really wish I did get like a longer length, but that's fine. The hair is like super soft, and yeah, love it. I'll finish sorting it out tomorrow and stuff.